Niko tu hapo Django saa 6 za usiku. Haya, inafaa ikuwe imekuja sasa. Nasikia? Hebu ni text hello. Hebu refresh. Ndio.
Mingi live. Ikali.
Iko.
Sina tusikia.
Delete tu. So, hello guys and welcome to the stream. So today we're going to host a Django chat. So let me close this one. So, ngoja na record hapa. You are watching. So niko slow. Iko slow. Okay, so let's start a project. Create a folder. I'm in Django Day. So I want to create a project for customizing the Django admin. So Django admin customization. Hizo makuku zinasikika. Okay. So terminal. So let me open the folder in Visual Studio Code. So code dot okay. So we have that. So next step is to create a virtual environment. So let me create a virtual environment using Python -env vpn.
Ina lag na kitu kama 50 seconds.
Iko nyuma bado iko slow.
Iko nyuma bado iko slow, iko na poa.
Watu ile like. Mtu mmoja ndiye ako live. Okay. Bwana sasa hivi kuna watu bwana. Nashtukia tu hapo watu
wanaweza kwa kwa jokes mzee kungu kuna wasapo zile sana tu nini.
Okay. Tungeona tuka channel tuka jokes tuka live tuka. Okay, so the next step is to activate the virtual environment. So we do that using in Windows. You can use fullstop.venv
activate
in script, then activate. So basically what this means is that you are navigating to the venv folder, then into the scripts folder, then you are running this file called activate. So press enter. Okay, once that is done, you can see V and V in bracket. That means that you are in the virtual environment. So can you clear the terminal? Now let's start our project. So Python First we install Django using pip. So pip install Django. Okay. Then you wait. Tunagongana. Unaweka ina sauti. Tunaanza kusikia mbili. Hey, it's taking a lot of time. Okay, successfully done. So Django has been installed. So the installed Django is in the virtual environment lib. You can see here Django. So if you type pip freeze, you'll see in the virtual environment we have Django and these other dependencies that comes with Django. Okay, so the next thing is to start project. So we do that using Python. No, not Python yet. Django -admin start project. Then the name of the project. So let me name it Django Admin Customization. Then put a full stop in the end so that everything that this command returns will be added to our current directory. If you miss the full stop in the end, it will create another folder named Django Admin Customization, then return the results inside that folder. So press enter. Okay, as you can see, we have a project. So because the tutorial is about customizing the Django admin section, let me just use the project. So to achieve the customization, let's use this one. So let's use this template from app generator. So to add this theme, we'll first install it using pip. So let me copy that command and type it. Pip install Django admin soft dashboard. Press enter. So let me just paste the link of the GitHub repo in the comment section. So okay, there you go. Then okay, successfully installed. Ignore the warning. Then the next step is to add this command to your installed apps just above the admin app. So let's go to settings.py, then installed apps, then above the admin, django.admin.contrib, add the app for the new template. So there. Then now we can run our server using Python manage.py on server, press enter. Okay, we have 18 unapplied migrations. Let's see what we're getting at the moment. So this is the page. Let me see the admin section. So we need to apply our migrations. So we need to close the server. Okay, clear. Then Python manage.py migrate. Okay. Let's rerun the server. Okay, let me refresh. Okay, done. Okay, the customized admin has just been installed. So let me create a super user so that we can log in. So clear. Then Python manage.py create super user. Press enter. Then let me leave that as blank. Then password. So it's too short, but I'll go with that one. Bypass password validation, yes. Then now we can log in. So win. Then the password is okay. Sign in. Sorry, I stopped the server. Okay, so let's rerun the server then. Go back. /admin. Admin. Then the password the account I created. Press enter. Okay.
To watch.
This is it. So now you can, if you check the authentication, you will see users. Let me, okay, light mode is better. So you'll see Vin, I created this account. Okay, that means that it is working. So let's create a model and see about it. So let me close the server. Then I want to create an app using Python manage.py startup. Sorry, start up. Let me call it test app. Then press enter. Okay, we have a test app. So every time you create an app, you must link it with the project. So inside the settings, installed apps, let's add our app. So sorry, our app is called test app. Then once that is done, you also have to create a urls.py for the app. So new file urls.py. Then once you've created the urls.py for the app, you have to link it to the urls.py of the project. So to do that, we'll import include. Okay, once that is done, you can add its path. Let me just copy this one, paste it slowly, paste it there. Then instead of this, just just add an empty, then include into bracket test app.urls. Okay, I don't think we need this one. Okay, it should be like that. So once that is done, we can create our models. So let's say our test app is about a blog project. So we'll have a model called article, which will inherit from models.model. Then an article will have a title. Let me just use the Copilot, the results from GitHub Copilot. Then inside the admin, first we import article from import articles. Okay. Then admin.site.register article. Now you can rerun the server and see. We have some errors. Let me see. Oh, I see. This one should not be empty. So let me close the server first. Then let me add some things from that. Then an empty URLs pattern list. Then I don't need admin, so I think it should work like that. Okay, I think it's working, so let's check it. So if you refresh, you will see test app, and we have the articles. So we haven't run the make migrations command. So if you run it, it will get rid of those errors. So Python manage.py make migrations, press enter. So it will create the table. Then you can migrate using the migrate command. Python manage.py migrate, press enter. Now let's run the server and see. I think it should be working now. So if you refresh, you'll see we have no articles created at the moment, but you can create using the admin section. So article has title, body and author, just like created here in the models. Article has title, body and author. The date will be added automatically. So let me create one article. So let me call it sports. Then let me call it Man United takeover. Then author, let me call it Vincent. Then save. So once you save, you'll see this sports, and if you open, you'll see more information about it. So let me create another article. So add article. Let me say politics. Let me say some politicians are not corrupt. And let me author, let me put Paul. Okay, so we have two articles, politics and sports. So that's the end of the stream, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you.